Hello, I'm your friend inside XO. Let's continue do our learning. Let's continually do our work. 人们常说人应该成熟一点，但是当我到了成熟的年龄，20岁的时候，我发现那些大人们还不如我。因为他们早就失去了对未来的向往，他们早就失去了他们原本想要追寻的东西，也就是当下我们的领袖所讲的 Never forget the initial reason of why you started. Okay, if we want to learn TensorFlow, the first thing we need to do is install it. You have to install TensorFlow on your system. Here, I'm using Windows because it's easier for me to grab image from the screen. It's easier than Linux. So here I choose installing TensorFlow on Windows. Here you got two options. You can choose TensorFlow with CPU support, or you can choose TensorFlow with GPU support. For me, GPU is better because it's faster than CPU. So I'm gonna choose GPU. Here he said you must install CUDA Toolkit 9.0. So I just followed his instruction and get that installation from here. Oh yes, don't forget you have to log in, then you can download it. It's something I don't want to see, but yeah, you must do it. This is some restriction. Okay, here we go. He just asked us to choose one of your system. Let's say choose Windows and 10 local. If we just click the download, we will make it right. It got 1.334 GB. Okay. Here I just downloaded that and installed on my computer. Here. So I won't do that again. The next thing is QDN 6.0. Let's go to there. Okay, you can just click the downloader and agree that items you choose. Here's no 6.0, so we must choose one that matches the CUDA version ID. For example, 9.1. You can choose that and download it. Here I just did that work. So I won't do it again. Okay, where I just download those fields, I'm a little not sure about it. Okay, here we got it. Just extract that to your local desk. And you will see it right there. Oops. Okay, here you can see a bin, but you don't know how to use it. Why? Because I don't know either. The installation guide. To verify that CUDN is installed and is running properly, compare the managed CUDN symbol located in here directory in the dbin field. No, we want to install it in Windows. Here. You queue that directory path is referred to as this. Your CUDN directory path is referred as installing path. What's that? Copy this to this. Okay, let's follow that instruction and do this work quickly. First, we need to know where that cube installed. Here we go. We can go to here. Okay. It probably in here. You got QDAC, you got a way 9.1, you got a bin. No, not dark, it's bin. Then you have to copy this bin field to here. Then copy CUDN edge within include to include here. The next step is to copy CUDN lab to where? To here, got a lab, got a X64 copied to here. Okay, after we did this, we should set the following environment variables to point to where CUDN is located. To access the value of the CUDA path, open a command prompt from the start menu, type ren and hit enter. Issue the control sysdm.cpl command. Select the advanced tab at the top of the window. Click the environment variables at the bottom of the window and ensure the following values are set. Okay, let's go to what he said. Go to run and say control sdm.cpl. We go to there. What's that? You can collect the advanced tab of the table here and setting what environment variables, and it is to system variable, probably here, and the len is CUDA pass. I must say Windows is a complex system, and give it the value sudawi 9.1, which in here probably okay. Include a CUDA app in your Virtual Studio project. Open Virtual. No. We don't need that. Okay, let's do some work to see if it works. CMD CUDA. Nothing happened. Okay, that's it. So we can pretend that we already did that job, and let's see what will happen next. GPU card with CUDA compute capability or higher. If you have a different version of what. Okay. In particular, the CUDA version must match exactly. TensorFlow will not load if it cannot find the CUDA 64 line DLL. To use a different version of CUDA, you must build from source. What the fuck? Anyway, let's install that. Okay, let's just copy this to here. And click the install. It will do that work, but trust me, it will definitely slow, so you must open your proxy in here. Fine. We're very sad that we can't install it just from tab. Okay, is that means we failed right now? No, it doesn't. Basically, we are just beginning. We can't give up right now. So let's download Anaconda from here. Anaconda is a packaging manager or is a tool to help you set up a pattern for scientific analysis or scientific research. So we will use it. Let's put it back to here and download the 64-bit version. Okay, still, we got to download it, so just wait. Okay, here we go, it's almost done. I always think 像我这样的年轻人到底能做点什么呢？大概就只能做这个了吧。所以我们collect that program and say next agree for all users. Give that permission. Just collect what? What's我们不可能没有空间了，它这个太扯了。诶，刚才发生了什么呢？退回一下，怎么不能点确定呢？Well, still got this problem.我记得我每次在 Windows 上做这些事情，总是会遇到各种各样让我觉得稀奇古怪的问题。这我可以肯定是它的设计问题了吧。Okay, before we install that, let's uninstall Python 3.6. 不然的话，他们之间可能会有那么一点点冲突。我个人是对于这些东西都没什么兴趣了，因为你学了这些东西好像还是找不到工作，那这样的话没什么意义吧？好像你连自己都养不活，还学这些东西干嘛呢？ What would you say? 因为我们讲专业的和不专业的中间差的东西实在是太多了。专业人员花费了非常多的精力在这些事上。你可以看到，在 Windows 上，几乎很大一部分的 API 都是由动态链接库构成的，也就是后缀为 DLL 的东西。我记得在安卓上是.so 作为动态库，那是比较 native 的方式。他们可能会用一些其他的，比如说 SDK。虽然我也不知道 SDK 是什么，因为我没有深入过安卓的 development， 我不是特别感兴趣。为什么这样讲呢？因为系统都长得差不多嘛，每一套系统好像都自己搞了一套机制出来，然后每一个系统一定要去学习这套机制，有什么意义吗？感觉没有。Okay, let's click the next button. Here he said, Anaconda has partnered with Microsoft to bring you Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is a free open source, streamlined cross-platform code editor with excellent support for Python code editing. To install that, you will need a internet. No, just skip that. Okay, let's click the finish. We are done. Here you can see how to install TensorFlow. You can use this maybe, but first we're gonna create a Conda environment. Things become too complicated. Conda is not recognized as an internal or external command. What? It lacks the it let me feel like I'm cheated. 这让我感觉我被骗了。这什么玩意儿嘛？Windows 上的东西真的是感觉不能用了。感觉灵魂都被掏空了。 Okay, just copy this and do some search in Google. Although you were offered a good solution by others, I think it is helpful to point out what is really happening. No? When you install Anaconda on Windows now, it doesn't automatically add Python or Conda to your path. Well, during the installation process, you can check this box. You can also add Python or Python to your path manually, as you see in here. Okay, I think I'm just being treated like a dog. 我肯定被骗了，刚才就应该点那一个 box 的，但现在好像找不到那一个东西了。它应该在哪儿呢？我应该把它安装到这里的。那这里应该有一个什么呢？这里应该有一个 bin or something like that。Scraps. Okay, here is what we need to use it. Let's go to the environment setting. I know it's 这太烦人了，必须要做很多事情才能让这东西在 Windows 上能够运行。这里我们的 path 需要加一个东西，加这个。Okay, let's try it again. What? Conda. Okay, let's open a new window. Okay, here we go. We got it. Let's do it again. What? Come on. It shouldn't be this way. He will ask you whether to process it. You just press Y and hit the enter. He will create a virtual environment for you. Okay, here we got it right. So to activate this environment, use activate TensorFlow. Okay, we are in there. Okay. Now we can install this. I bet TensorFlow must very big and it can take hours to download or may take days to download in China. So we need the procs. After that, we can install it. Okay, here you can see the speed is very high. It depends on your network, how much money you spend on your network. While it is installing, let me tell you some truths. For example, I, just like you, is normal person, so I probably will not be so good on these things, but I believe you can. So the things I'm doing right now is to show you a normal person can do it well. A normal person can reach their goal either. Okay, let's try to use TensorFlow, see if it works well. Imports, here he got this. Just run this. First import TensorFlow as TF. Okay, let's do this. Import TensorFlow as TF. Okay, we got it wrong. What's wrong with it? You can see TensorFlow requires this DLL be installed in a directory that is named in your parse environment variable. Let's copy this len and get it to that. See if it works. CUDA. Okay, this one. Let's rename it to this. Do it again. Okay, still wrong. So that means we have to reinstall CUDA or GPU or something like that. We can't use it in this version. Oh, that's a pain. You know, you have to install it again. It's probably was not what you want. Fine, let's do it again. Follow his instruction strictly to make it right. If we just collect the download, it will download CUDA 9.1, but that's not what we want. We need another version, for example this. Okay, let's install this. Alright, I bet you did the right thing, so let's open this. Just click to OK. Let's do some research about this. You can see CUDA just have a version here. You can probably delete it once for all. Yeah, and do some else and like yes, you can remove it. We don't need it. Delete this and give it to this. Great. Click OK. OK. Well, we are installing. Probably we need something else. Let's say what we need is here. CUDN. If we click to download, we'll go to there and you can choose the one you want. For example, we want this, but as you can see here, he just said for probably we need this. Okay, this one. Just download it. Well, now we are installing this. Okay, let's install that. Choose customer, otherwise you will get NVIDIA experience its useless. And this also we don't need it. HD audio we don't need it. Virtual Studio integration we don't need it. Symbols we also don't need that. Document yeah, we don't need it. So now let's hit the next button and install it. Here it said audio capture information. Your sound is not being captured. Please check your record control. Do you want to use that? No. Okay, now we just finished install NVIDIA CUDA. The next thing we want to do is extract this and copy it to the folder where NVIDIA CUDA is installed. I bet it just in there. Okay, just a copy and paste. Now you just make it right. So let's go to there and import this. Couldn't find what CUDA. Let's extract this and try it again. Maybe we should open it again. Active. Oh, I forgot that command. Here. Activate TensorFlow. Person. Import TensorFlow as TF. Yes, we did it. We just installed the TensorFlow GPU version. Let's do more. Hello equal to tf.constant hello TensorFlow. Says equal to tf.session. Use CPU support instructions that this TensorFlow bandwidth was not compelled to use. GPU devils creating TensorFlow devils. Okay, it may write right now. I don't know, just wait. Why it takes this long time? It shouldn't be, actually. Okay, let's continually do our work. You can say print says that wrong. Hello. Okay, we got it right. So this is a basic thing of how to install TensorFlow on your Windows system. If you like it, welcome. If you like it, just wait for my next video. I will show you more based on what I have learned. So that's it. If anything goes well, I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.